Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2001 BMW R1100S. This is BMW's very nice sport touring bike. 1100cc opposed twin, boxer twin engine, fuel injected, 5-speed transmission. Bike has a BMW hard luggage factory. Great condition. ABS brakes. This motorcycle has 63,936 miles on it. The engine is all stock. Brand new Dunlop Roadsmart II rear tire. Has a Sargent seat, very comfortable for the long rides. Also has the bar risers, which rise the bike bars up about 1.5 inches, making for a longer, much more comfortable, longer ride position. This very nice 2001 BMW R1100S is offered at $39.95. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out.